Good afternoon, my good friends of YouTube. This is Joe here with another video in this your channel, Home Express. We are located right now in the mountains of Maine, approximately 45 minutes from the border. Well, a little farther now because I've been driving for a little bit, but I was 45 minutes from the border with Quebec. I know I haven't been posting videos for quite some times now, but I've been busy, I've been doing some other things. To be honest with you, the month of January, I spent the whole month in bed. I'm up and running again. Good to go. So the load that I'm carrying right now is a load of lumber which weighs 48,300 pounds and is going to Georgia. So I do have long ways to go yet. You can see Maine is beautiful. Good scenery, good views, but and it's very cold. So cold. Last night was 1 degree below 0 Fahrenheit. So it's amazingly cold, and it's March. I seen dual digits below 0 here in this area, like 30 degrees below 0 and stuff like that. Right now it's approximately 22 degrees. Last I checked, it was a little higher, but it says that approximately at this time it was going to be in between 20 and 22, something like that. So give it a take, that's what it is. The river is frozen, solid. The way it looks right now, the layer rise is probably more than 2 feet. I believe the next town over is Cohegan or something like that. Yes, Cohegan, Maine. With I should be approximately, I don't know, 40 minutes from it, 45 minutes, 30 minutes. I don't know exactly. I don't have a GPS as you guys can see. Once I stop, I'm gonna show you guys the load, show you around the truck. The truck is dirty, and it needs attention. It needs attention for sure. Those of you that wonder why I do wave at people so much is because they do wave at me. In these parts, people are very courteous with, one another. I like that. A total stranger saying hello. That's this society that we live today's date. It is very, very rare. tenemos el camión en la pesa o báscula, como le quieran llamar. Ya confirmamos el peso está correcto, así que estamos legales y listos para tratar de ganar dinero, ya que hoy día las cargas no pagan tanto. Oh, my good friends of YouTube, I stopped here in the rest area. This is the rest area, one of the rest areas in Service Plaza in New Hampshire. Let me show you. Look how much snow it is beside that truck over there, and it's snowing like crazy. That's Big Joe over there. Yeah, that truck is nothing but good to me. You know, it doesn't matter if it's cold, if it's hot, if it's raining, whatever weather. You know, that truck is amazing. So I'm going to finish this video here because I'm about to go to bed. Tomorrow morning, 5 a.m. I'll be up and running again. So I'll probably do another video on my next leg of the trip. So you all enjoy the night. Sweet dreams, everybody, and see you guys tomorrow.